Breathe in, breathe out. You might not give it much thought, but breathing is the reason you're alive. Without oxygen, your body cannot survive. Your lungs not only take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, but they also protect your other organs from irritants, harmful organisms, and a host of environmental pollutants. This usually goes on without a thought, yet for many people, breathing can be a struggle. Today's video will discuss, this fungi may actually help boost your lungs. Medicinal mushrooms. In addition to being food, many mushrooms are also used as medicine. These are called medicinal mushrooms. For over 3 decades, medicinal mushrooms have been federally approved to use alongside standard cancer treatments in Japan and China. Among the more potent, and well-researched mushrooms are turkey tail, reishi, shiitake, and maitake. Like most mushrooms, these edible fungi are full of powerful antioxidants, and beta-glucans that fight damaging free radicals, as well as polysaccharides, that can fight various cancers, including lung cancer. According to a 2019 report, the best-known active compound in turkey tail mushroom, polysaccharide K, helped lung cancer patients live longer than those who did not take it. Other studies using reishi also found that its polysaccharides helped strengthen the immune system in patients with lung cancer. You can get most medicinal mushrooms in raw food form, powdered extracts, capsules, or in drinks like tea and kombucha. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in the comments section below.